aspiring executive assistant. I'm here again, Anita, your executive assistant, and I would like to give you tip number 30. For those that are admin professional that would like to shift into a executive assistant or virtual executive assistant, I'll give you some tips right now. Tip number 30. So are you ready? So nowadays, there's a lot of trends that you have to be prepared of. Not only AI tools, but there's a lot of technologies nowadays that you can use it on your day-to-day activities. So I really suggest tip number 30. Try to search, try to study, not only to study the theoretical tools or the AI tools, but you have to apply it. So meaning try to apply on your day-to-day tasks, or if you are at home or working mom, something like that. If you're a mom that would like to work online, much better that you research within chat, the same time i-apply nyo on your day-to-day. For example, if you're going to prepare something for your kids, for example, Canva. Nowadays, even though you are not a designer, a graphics designer, Canva can help you design a calendar, kids sample, booklet, activity book that can be able to use it. Nowadays, you can also earn while doing Canva designing. So that's sample. There are a lot of free software and application that you can use it and apply it. Try to practice. But if you're really into into a virtual assistant or executive assistant, I really suggest that you must do it by heart. At the same time, you have to practice, not only reading, because if you just read and study theoretically without application, it's useless studying and researching. Much better that you should apply it, because if you apply it and use it, you will be able to know those that are, if you encountered sometimes there's a glitches or on how to resolve a particular application, and understanding the features and interfaces of each software and application, you will be able to do it on your own. If not, if you have also coaches, much better. But if not, there's a lot in Google nowadays. You can search it, YouTube. There are a lot of video and tutorials. So that's tip number 30. This is Anita, your online executive assistant and your virtual assistant, executive assistant. So like, share, and subscribe, and follow for more. And put your comment down below. And that's it. So bye!